The holiday season is a wonderful time to reflect on the blessings of the past year and to show our appreciation for the important people in our lives. I'd like to thank you, the people of the Kyrgyz Republic, for your generous hospitality in hosting the embassy community in your beautiful country. Throughout the past year, my colleagues and I have had the opportunity to travel throughout the country to meet with you and to see the beauties that are the Kyrgyz Republic. I'm sure the coming year will be full of positive changes as the people of our two great countries work together to build a peaceful and prosperous future for all of us. On behalf of all of my colleagues at the U.S. Embassy in Bishkek and the American people, I wish you all a joyous holiday season with family and friends and a healthy and prosperous New Year. С Новым годом! Жаңы, жылыңыздар, менен.